Hello students, I hope you all are doing really well. I know you are really excited for our today's lesson. So without any kind of further delay, let's quickly start our today's lesson. Okay children, so now what you can see in this picture? Yes, you guessed it perfectly right. We can see trees. We can see the kids here, and of course we can also say we can see one happy family in this picture. Now can you guess where this family lives? Come on, think and answer. Yes, you guessed it perfectly right. This family lives in a house. This family lives in a house. Shh, quiet. Somebody wants to join our class. कोई हमारी क्लास में आना चाहता है. So here it comes. Meet my cute little friend Rini. Kids, do you know Rini and all other animals, they used to live in a house. Okay, but हम उनके घर को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? What we call their home in English? This we are going to study in our today's lesson. We will learn the names of animals' home to enrich our vocabulary in English. So here we are going to start. So now first of all, here comes squirrel. Here comes squirrel, and it lives in tray. The house of squirrel is known as tray, which is also known as cavity nest. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है ना, इस ट्री में आपको एक खाली स्पेस या फिर एक हॉलो स्पेस दिखाई दे रही है. दिस इज नोन एज कैविटी नेस्ट वेयर अ स्क्विरल लिव्स, एंड इट इज नोन एज ट्रे इन इंग्लिश, एंड इट इज नोन एज ट्रे इन इंग्लिश. सो नाउ सी who is coming over here. Okay, it's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Now rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Like here also rabbit ने एक प्यारा सा घर बनाया है. This one, yes, you can see over here. ग्राउंड को देख करके rabbit ने एक होम बनाया है, एक हाउस बनाया है, जिसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं burrow. And the next comes the honeybees. Yes, the yummy and tasty honey is made by these cute little honeybees, which we all love to eat. And these honeybees used to live in beehive. The sweet home of honeybee is known as beehive. So now here comes the two animals, the snake and the mouse. Yes, you guessed right. Now we are going to talk about their house. Snake and mouse used to live in a hole. They dig a hole and live happily in it. And now we are going to talk about the house of spider. And we all know what spider weaves. It weaves a web. The spider weaves a web, and its house in English is known as cobweb. It is known as cobweb. So here we can see cute little piggies. Here are the sweet piggies. And the house of these pigs in English is known as sty. Their house in English is known as sty. So here comes the fast running horses, and they live happily in their house, which in English is known as stable. The house of horse is known as stable. So kids, it's time now to revise what we have learned in our today's lesson with the help of a very melodious song, which is sung by your music teacher, Miss Purnima ma'am.
Dear squirrel, where do you live? I live in my dream, joyful and happy. Dear bee, where do you live? I live in my hive, joyful and happy. Dear mouse, where do you live? I live in my hole, joyful and happy. Dear spider, where do you live? I live in my cobweb, joyful and happy. Dear pig, where do you live? I live in my sty, joyful and happy. Dear horse, where do you live? I live in my stable, joyful and happy. Dear pigs, where do you live? I live in my house, joyful and happy.